Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia, and if you are one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I am extremely excited to be reviewing Ariana Grande Cloud Pink for you guys. So if you guys want to see this fragrance review, go ahead and stay tuned. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the box and the bottle look like up close. As I mentioned before, I am extremely excited to be reviewing this fragrance because this is literally the first fragrance I was able to get the night that it launched. And like literally I was waiting up until 1 in the morning, and as soon as it was available on Ulta, I was able to purchase it. So I am super excited about this, but let me show you guys what the box and the bottle look like up close first before I get into the juicy details of this fragrance. So that is what the box and the bottle look like up close. The box pretty much looks like every other Ariana Grande box. There's always usually a picture of her on the back of it, and it has the signature Cloud logo on the front, which is raised. And the actual bottle just looks like every other Cloud bottle, just pink. And I really like that the actual bottle and cap is pink and not just the liquid. So even when you start using this fragrance a lot more, it'll still have that deep pink type look to it when it's sitting on your dresser or your fragrance shelf. Now let's go ahead and get into the details of this fragrance. Now this is an extremely new fragrance. It launched like a week or two ago. This is classified as a warm and spicy fragrance. In the top notes, there's pink pineapple, dragon fruit, and berries. In the middle notes, there's vanilla orchid, coconut water, and blush and Brett. And in the base, there's magenta moss, amber woods, musk, and praline. Now, before I was able to purchase this fragrance, I did see a few TikToks of people pretty much just reading out the notes of this fragrance that they were able to find online. And I'm assuming some people were able to get it via PR just a little bit earlier. But the main thing that I really heard people talking about was the pineapple note in this fragrance, and how they were saying how much brighter and fresher it was than the original Cloud and Cloud 2.0. I heard some people saying that this was like the kiddie version of Cloud, and this was like more suited for children because it was just that sweet. And you guys, I'm not going to lie, when I received this fragrance, me and this fragrance were tussling for a while, because as soon as I sprayed it, I was a little salty because I was just like, to me it smelled like Cloud and Cloud 2.0. When I first sprayed it, I was not getting any of the red berries or the pineapple or any of that stuff. I actually wore it twice before I filmed this review the first time. And literally once I got halfway through the review, I was just like, I can't post this. Because my feelings and my opinions were literally just all over the place. Like, at first I was wondering, is my nose broken? Like, I don't have allergies like that at all. So I was just like, I know it's not my nose. But it was just really, really hard to figure this fragrance out. But after wearing it 5 times all day and reapplying it, now I feel like I can give you guys my honest opinion and my honest thoughts on this fragrance. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a spray and let you guys know what it smells like to me. Now this fragrance does have that signature Cloud DNA. As soon as I spray it, I really get a lot of the vanilla orchid and the coconut water. I am smelling some of the pineapple note, as well as just a hint of the berries. But I feel like the main fruit that you really smell in this fragrance is the dragon fruit, and it's very subtle. And I had to do a side-by-side comparison. I sprayed the original Cloud on one wrist, and I sprayed Cloud Pink on the other, and just compared the two. And I will say that the original Cloud is much warmer, and those fruitier notes do add a brightness and freshness to the Cloud scent. But it is still Cloud. And when it warms down and dries, especially on the skin, it really smells like Cloud. There's a slight difference because of those fruitier notes, but to me it's kind of like the same, just a little bit. I feel like if you're a fruity girl like me, and since we're moving into the fall and winter months, you might want a fragrance that's a little bit warmer, but you still like fruity scents. I feel like this would be a really good option just to ease us all into the fall and winter months, because there are fruity notes in here, but it's not just in your face, bright, fresh, fruity. And because of those signature Cloud notes and those warmer notes, I feel like this is great for the fall and the winter months. Now, I did have to purchase this in the 3.4 ounce. Just like a lot of her new releases, it only comes in the 3.4 ounce. I'm pretty sure that as time goes on, she'll release like a travel size spray or something like that. So if you're somebody who wasn't really sure if you wanted to purchase a full-size bottle, especially with this much fragrance, I definitely recommend either waiting until the travel size comes out or just go into your local Ulta and just test it out for yourself. I love the smell of pineapple. I literally love the smell of all fruits. So when I saw that it had like pineapple and berries and dragon fruit and stuff like that, I just thought that it would be a lot more juicy than it actually is. And I like that she went with the whole pink theme, especially now after Barbie and all that. I feel like if you know somebody who's a little bit on the younger side and they love pink or love Barbie and stuff like this would be a really nice gift to give them. And it could just go with an entire pink theme. So I thought that that was really cute. I'm happy that I have it in my collection because this is going to look really, really cute next to my other two Cloud bottles. In my opinion, this could work for every age group. This is also one that I could see myself mixing with some of my other fruitier fragrances because I have to have just a little bit more fruit. But overall, it's a really pretty scent. It smells a lot like the original Cloud. It's cute. And if you are a fragrance head, it is a really nice addition to your collection. And y'all, as always, I will have this fragrance linked down below in the description box so that you guys can pick it up and try it out for yourselves. And also, if any of you guys have tried Cloud Pink by Ariana Grande, let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. Now y'all, that was my review of Ariana Grande Cloud Pink. As always, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.